rugged pain for my Lord. Like
a soldier, I'ma stand up and pray to my Lord. Like a soldier, I'ma fast my 30 days for my Lord. Like a soldier, calculate the cat and pay for my Lord. Like a soldier, Hajj and Umrah gets made for my Lord. Like a soldier, I don't need to bust my gun to be a soldier. So they can say what they want, I'm a soldier. And I don't need to drop no bombs to be a soldier. So they can say what they want, I remain a soldier. Like a soldier, I'ma stand up and pray for my Lord. Like a soldier, I'ma fast my 30 days for my Lord. Like a soldier, calculate the cat and pay for my Lord. Like a soldier, Hajj and Umrah gets made for my Lord. Like a soldier, I don't need to bust my gun to be a soldier. So they can say what they want, I'm a soldier. And I don't need to drop no bombs to be a soldier. So they can say what they want, I remain a soldier. Like a soldier. I'm just trying to do the best I can for Allah. I'm just trying to keep it real, I'm not trying to be a star. They like to talk about my life, they don't know how it is. I'm a true soldier, they can't change the way I live. Muslim, call me fake, call me what you want. I'm just here to deliver my message and the boy is gone. I spit knowledge in them songs, but I change lives. Poet that I'm studying Islam at the same time. It's a hard test, so Allah, I'm trying to do my best. Keep a safeguard over me and all the rest. I never said I was the best student, I was never in the top class. But if they understood a minute of my past, they would appreciate where I am today. So I ignore the words that they say. I get my motto and pray too. Allah didn't say you was my judge, so don't worry about me, I'm alright bruv. More to my life than poetry, this is light stuff. You don't see what I'm up to until the night's up. And when the night's up, I shall stand alone. Another black boy shaded by a large road. Like a soldier, I'ma stand up and pray to my Lord. Like a soldier, I'ma fast my 30 days for my Lord. Like a soldier.